Hey guys, it's Cassie from And Other Lovelies, and I am back today to share a quick look at my September wild hair kits. I am so excited. I've already taken out some of the products from the packaging. So excited to share this kit with you guys. So every kit that you order, this is a deluxe kit. It comes packaged in this awesome cardboard piece here, and then everything is wrapped in plastic too to keep it safe from getting wet or damaged en route to you. So wild hair kits is different than most kit clubs in the sense that every kit is hand curated for you by a curator who reads your style profile and then chooses products that she thinks you will like and will help you complete your projects and tell your stories. And so totally custom. This is the third kit that I've received. Every month it looks have been different, but have still been what I've asked for or what I was in the mood for that month. And this one, just glimpsing at it here, I know it's going to be no different. So things that I said, examples of things like things that I'm looking for, alphabet stickers, wood veneers, phrase stickers, die cut ephemera, that sort of thing. Things that I didn't want, stamps, buttons, or flair. I love Dear Lizzie and Pink Fresh. I gave some examples of different color schemes that I liked. And then I am primarily a pocket page scrapbooker, and I like to scrapbook in smaller formats like 6x8, traveler's notebooks, that sort of thing. And I listed that there. Then there's some long form text answers. So I'm gonna read this to you real quick. I said, working on the weekly 52 Weeks of Me project in a traveler's size notebook and catching up on project life with my summer pictures. Not quite feeling fall yet. It's hot in Kansas City. Looking forward to a girls' weekend with my sister and another wedding too. I also said, looking for bright fun colors this time. Please no cream, off-white, vintage, distressed, or lime green. I could use more tiny alpha stickers, phrase or letter, or smaller scale prints to cut down for project life. I love pattern paper. And then you can also link your Instagram if you want the curator to check that out. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So we get a cute little card. It says happy crafting. I always love to start with the embellishment. So it looks like some washi tape from Freckled Fawn. So very cute and fun. I love that. All right, I'm gonna start with stickers. These are awesome. I love these types of stickers. So some pink alpha stickers from Illustrated Faith. These are amazing. Look at all of these puffy stickers from Pink Fresh. Hearts. This is so me in this color scheme. I love this. Okay. An embellishment pack from Simple Stories called Good Vibes. Oh, look at that. Those tags. There's some travel. Happy days. Awesome. Fab. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna have to open this. Okay, so I just sorted through all these embellishments. There are some really cute ones, and some, my sister's coming in town, she's 16, and just trendy but not childish, like totally lit. Okay, I'll use that. I know I'm in my 20s, but you know, whatever, it's cute. Beautiful You. These are some of my favorites. I just pulled out stripes, everything. That's my whole wardrobe. I really like these flowers and just affirming sentiments like you got this, a little something awesome, happy days. I love these bright colors. It's such a different vibe than last month, but it's exactly what I asked for. So, okay, next up, these sequins are beautiful. So it looks like navy, coral, pink, different sizes. There's some little flowers in there too. So those are beautiful. Coordinate really nicely with all of this. Wood veneer. These are the days of the week. I'll have to do a spread in my pocket page album. Those are so cute. I could just do a photo every day. So I really like those. Simple scripty. The script looks really good with these other script pieces too. Oh, these are pretty. So these are Jen Hadfield homemade. Hello, thanks, smile, congrats. Very pretty gold. Almost like an iridescent gold. It's really cute. Ooh, paper time. Okay, so it looks like I got some 6x6s this time. Very summery ice cream lemon spikes. This is pretty geometric. Oh, I love this one. Life is sweet. This one's like begging to be cut apart. A whole nother pack of embellishments if I cut this tag sheet out. That's awesome. Ooh, I love this black and white strip here. This one's really cool. Almost looks like washi tape strips or just paper strips, branding strips. That'll be fun to cut with or play with for layering. You can never go wrong with grid. Then flowers and some bright yellows. I love the vibe of this kit. Yay! So if you purchase a deluxe kit, you will get this exclusive cut file in the month of September. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is such an awesome addition, especially if you don't have a silhouette or a Cricut, to be able to play with a cut file. So good. And then if you order a petite kit, you can request this. And you also get access this to the cut file if you do have a machine and you want to cut it yourself. So that is going to be fun to play with. Then 12 by 12, so this paper, Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Pick Me Up. I like this side best. This is really, really cool. Okay. Ooh, this is from Heidi Swapp's Hawthorne collection. Oh, I like both sides. I love the effect of this paper here, and then the polka dots look so good. Check this out. That matches perfectly. And then you pair that with this and probably these guys, or just more hearts. I mean, come on. This is really, really pretty together. Then really pretty stripe. I like this one, and I like to check out like the distressing. It almost looks like it was made with a stencil and mixed media. That's cool. Oh, I love this one. This is Box of Crayons from Chamel. Those brights, this screams summer. Oh, I love this page, and so bold. Oh, I like this side too. That's gonna be hard to choose. This is the BU collection from Pink Fresh. I love this one. I love the corals, and then look at how good this looks with this one. This one is begging to be cut apart too. I love these little birds and the teacups, the flowers. Ooh, this one's pretty too. I almost like this one better. Check this out. There is an ombre pink to blue. I've had this one in the 6x6. I love it. And then, ooh, I like this one too. So this is Pink Fresh as well. And then this one, applause for the flaws. Oh, cool. So more real life phrases. I have no idea what I'm doing. Imperfect, not cool, chaos. Some days are tough. That's cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my kit is just busting at the seams here with all sorts of embellishments. I'm gonna put that over top so you can see it. And then all these little papers too. Let's see what my curator said. So it looks like, hey Cassie, there's so much fun color in the kit. I totally agree. I hope you love the summery vibe. I made sure to include a small format alpha and more 6x6s, as well as some of your other faves: stickers, die cuts, wood veneers, and phrases. Our September cut file is my most favorite one we've ever included, and I can't wait to see how you use it. Enjoy. Ah, so cool. All right, so head on over to the Wild Hare kits. A deluxe kit like this is $38.95. I think it's totally worth it because it's customized to you. I personally would not have picked out all of these different papers if I had gone to the store or was searching through scrapbook.com or something, but because my curator listened to what I was looking for, she picked colors that go together. I feel so inspired to create. I mean, the work has been done for me. All I have to do now is grab my pictures and get crafting. So I hope that you will follow along. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see what I create with this kit here. My handle is @andotherlovelies, and check out the Wild Hare Kits blog. Our design team is amazing, and they feature just incredible ways that they're using their products. So if you have any questions about the kit, please let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing what you create. Have a great day. Bye.